And if ever the NEA needs to be effective, it is now. But instead, we have spent or will spend our time, energies, and money on tangential issues such as the war, immigration, diseases, honoring the National Association of Letter Carriers, handheld cell phones, and bank bailouts. My small local did not send me to New Orleans for any of these issues, not one. We are under withering assault by organizations and demagogues who do not diffuse their message. They are disciplined, concentrate their money, and seek public education's destruction. They've delivered a knockout punch, and here we find ourselves sprawled on the mat of public opinion. We've lost, and those who seek to blame, demoralize, and fire educators have won. In this fight to the death of public education as we've known it, as we wish it to be, we need to put aside personal agendas, restrain the urge to use this great body to advance distracting and divisive causes, and focus, focus, focus.
Time. Thank you, sir. Microphone 16, Mike Jones. Microphone 16.
Thank you. Speaking as an individual, Mike Jones from California, proudly wearing my bowling shirt. I'm part of the new CTA Strikers bowling team. I was going to stand up here and talk about, have a postcard to write, but to Arnie Duncan, but I've already done that. Or I was going to bring my cell phone and text my Congresswoman Barbara Lee about the jobs bill, but I've already done that. Or bring my laptop and send an email to my Senator, Dianne Feinstein, but I've done that too. What I haven't done and what we haven't done at this RA is to make a commitment with our feet on the street. And that's, whether that's marching, rallying, protesting, maybe even perhaps taking to some of these politicians' offices en masse, not a polite group of 2 or 3, but 50 or 60 or 100. And by doing all these things, we will add an exclamation point to the postcards, emails, and text messages that we send. I'm a little disturbed that we're creating a false distinction or to believe that there's a contradiction between the different tasks that we must take on to fight the attacks on public education. The last speaker spoke about tangential issues, but when the banks are getting trillions of dollars of taxpayer money, that is not tangential when that money could be going to education. Or the wars in Iraq and Afghanistan. Stop those wars, that money could go to public education. So let's not make this distinction that we only do postcards, emails, and the like, that we only meet within our own locals, that we only call up and meet with our politicians. Let's put the pressure on them in a multitude of ways. Let's also consider we've devoted $13 million to our campaign about the ESEA reauthorization.
Time. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.